Hello guys, welcome to my channel Online Shopping Haul, and today I'm gonna unboxing Nokia 105, which is I bought from Flipkart. So guys, let's start. See, this is the Flipkart box and I got it from Flipkart. So this is a basic Nokia 105 phone which is I'm going to unbox today, and you can see. So let's start. And yeah, this is the phone which I has choose, that is a black color. So it's simply wrapped in a small wrap, and this is the basic phone. So let's take out some all the stuff. It's a charger which is comes with this phone for charging, and it's have a basic pen. And the another thing is battery. And also there is a user manual which you can read for various features and functions of phone. So let's get open the phone and switch on the phone. So I just inserted the battery inside the phone, and let's start phone. Okay, so it's a Nokia logo on phone, on screen you can see. And this is our the wallpaper on the screen. You can see, the you can see the all the functions above and the downside, all the features. I menu, this is a menu. You can see, uh, actually camera is not clear, my camera is not clear, so you cannot see the complete view of the menu icons. But it's a see, it's a snake game which people usually like a lot, this game. And there are many more games into this, but you have to subscribe that games and you have to pay for it. But the free game is the snack game. So it's a extra updated feature in this Nokia 105 is there are lots of games. And it's also has a FM radio, inbuilt at FM radio. You get into this phone, plus the torch light. And the menu icons are very good and visible when you see. And when you see the menu icons, they are very good in while we looking at this phone. This is a very classic look. And these are the 9 keypad buttons. So for basic use, this phone is completely perfect for you. And for our elders which you can who cannot use smartphones, so this phone is perfectly perfect for those people. And yeah, so this phone I got for rupees 848.86 something. And the price over Flipkart was 986, and the MRP of this phone is 11 1150 something. So I get a huge discount on this phone because I bought in a big billion day offer. And that's all.